Sis, we the D3 accounting student of the Polytechnic would like to provide a little education about the meaning of tax, the function of tax, the importance of tax compliance, and the role of SMS as taxpayer. So, first of all, what is tax? A tax is a mandatory contribution paid by the community to the state based on applicable regulation. Funds obtained from tax are used to finance various state obligations such as road construction, health facilities, education, and other public service. Although the benefits of tax are not felt directly by each individual, the result of paying tax can be enjoyed together by the entire community. So, by paying tax, we participate in the development and progress of Indonesia. Oh yeah, so what is the function of tax? So, tax have several important functions. While the first one is the budget function, while that is a source of state revenue that is used to finance development and various government programs, while the second one has a regulation function. While tax are used by the government to regulate economic activities, for example, by providing various incentives and compensation for SMS actor, while the third in the equalization is to improve community welfare through development program and social assistance. So tax have an important role in supporting economic growth and public welfare. So as an MKM actor, tax compliance profit many benefits. By fulfilling tax obligation, the business being run will have better legality and avoid sanction of fairness. Will besides that, tax compliance can increase the trust of business partner and final institutions such as banks. Will this can make is it airs for SMEs to obtain access to financing to develop their business. Well, tax compliance also so that business.
Hello, my name is Laura Cynthia, and right now I want to explain a little education about NPWP and NIK as tax identify and to confirm information is correct. So the first I want to explain what is NPWP and NIK. So NPWP or main number tax is identified which use administration taxation for taxpayer, and IKA is there on the card, resign or ID card which are used as NPWP after the contour of data validation. With extended tax identifies, social become easier to master of taxation and simple more efficient. As MMES have a taxation identify is right is one step to crying out the complication business with application regulation. So identification number is important. Yes, because NPWP is many benefit. The first like can have a tax obligation to pay, tax reporting. So the second one is tax identify. Them is for tax business license like credit or financing to bank and have any program from the government for MMES. So the last one is the legality. and the credit. So data. Yes, what is needed? Because the regular data, the first like the full name, then the publication number. After that is nick and address. Well, as a phone number, active email address, and the last is business status or data relics of taxation. How to convert the data?
Hello, let me introduce myself. I'm Aura, a student at Polybatam. On this occasion, I'll be presenting an educational session on the introduction to the rights and obligations of MSMS taxpayer, including the obligation to register, calculating, paying, and reporting taxes on core tax in accordance with applicable regulation. We'd like to ask, did you already know that MSMEs have tax obligation they must fulfill? I've heard about it, but I don't fully understand the details yet. Okay, let me explain. As an MSME taxpayer, there are several key obligations you need to fulfill. Namely, first, register to obtain an NPWP or ensure that your NIK is already integrated as an NPWP. Second, calculate your taxes according to the regulation, such as MSME's income tax. Third, pay taxes based on the calculated amount. Fourth, file tax return regularly through the core tax provided by the Directorate General Taxes. While running your business, have you ever filed or paid taxes? Yes, but I still rely on others for help because I don't fully understand the process yet. Okay, that's perfectly normal. The core tax system was developed to make things easier for taxpayer, including MSMEs, so they can file tax returns and manage their tax administration in a simpler, more integrated way.